and girls. So we have ourselves a prop party here. We've got our 125, so E-prop, FTB, Fly the Best, Vortex Aero, Fast Acceleration Vitarazi, and then Helix Vitarazi. We're going to call that Helix because that's the standard Helix profile. Then for our 130 class, we've got standard E-prop, FTB, Fly the Best, Vortex Aero, Fast Acceleration, and this is a Vortex Aero standard configuration that Ryan had sent us to try out as well. And there's actual OG Helix there. And then for fun, we've got 3-blade class here. So that's a 125 3-blade E-prop, 130 E-blade 3-blade E-prop, and then Fast Acceleration 3-blade. So, you got any comments, Mike?
Just excited, ready to see them, and here to 3 blades.
Yeah,
make some noise.
Make some noise. So the way we're going to do this test is every 15 seconds we're going to record the RPM and thrust numbers. So it's going to be 1 minute max full throttle run, and we're going to see that the prop is able to maintain that RPM and that thrust throughout the entire 1 minute run up. You got any other comments, or are we ready to do it?
No, yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Let's get started.
All right. We did have the 100 centimeter 3-blade that we will include at the end of the video here for poops and giggles.
Helix Propellers is the manufacturer for all Helix and Vitarazi branded propellers, including the Fast Acceleration variant. Aviator PPG is a Helix Vitarazi dealer, and we provided all of the Vitarazi and Helix propellers for this test, except for the 100 centimeter 3-blade, which was kindly provided by our friendly neighbors over at 1UP Adventures. Visit aviatorppg.com or paramotorprops.com for 2 great sources for Helix and Vitarazi propellers. Also, visit helix-propeller.de for information directly from Helix. At the heart of what we do lies a commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. We believe in crafting our lightweight paramotor propellers with precision and superlative strength, harnessing the cutting-edge properties of carbon fiber. By seamlessly blending technology and artistry, we aspire to redefine the skies, empowering adventurers with propellers that not only defy gravity but also embody the essence of unparalleled performance and durability. These propellers are manufactured in Germany.
All right, so the way this is going to work is the gauge is going to recycle itself every 15 seconds. So what it does is it stores the peak that it's running at. So you'll be able to watch it where you can watch the RPM and then you'll see the peak resets every time. So what we're looking for is that peak thrust at the beginning. The first 15 seconds should be pretty close to the same peak at the end of the last 45 seconds. So that's how this is going to work. So this is we have a Helix 125 prop, and Mike's going to go ahead and hit it full throttle for one minute. Go ahead, Mike. All right, boys and girls, we got a 130 Helix, so the standard Helix profile on this one. Go ahead and hit it, Mike. All right, boys and girls, so next we have the Fast Acceleration 125 prop.
Yep.
All right, go ahead and hit it, Mike. Okay, so this is our Fast Acceleration 130 centimeter. Hang on a second, Mike. Let's let it reset here. All right, go ahead. All right, so this is our fast acceleration 3-blade 130. Yep.
Aviator PPG is an eProps dealer and provided all of the eProps you will see in this video. Visit e-props.fr for more information about eProps directly from the manufacturer and to purchase eProps that are available at aviatorppg.com. Today, the eProps company produces 75,000 blades a year and equips more than 150 paramotor brands across the world. The 53 aeronautical engineers and technicians have designed and manufactured our innovative propellers since 2008. The design department has developed the special patented profiles and geometries. Specific eProps are designed with the high centerline profiles and scimitar shape for more thrust, fuel economy, and noise reduction. These propellers are manufactured in France.
125 here, so go ahead and hit her, Mike, whenever you're ready. Alright, so this is going to be our 130 eProp. Yep, you're good. Alright, so this is our 125 eProp 3-blade. All right, so this is our 130 eProp 3-blade. Whenever you're ready.
Vortex Aero is an international company that specializes in importing innovative and affordable aftermarket paramotor components. Vortex Aero is represented here in the United States by Ryan Wirtz and Chris Hocker, who were kind enough to send us their Light Series propellers to include in this video. Visit vortexaero.com for more information and to purchase their propellers. Vortex Aero Light Series propellers were designed to produce maximum thrust at lower RPMs, resulting in fuel savings, less wear and tear, and reduced overall noise pollution. Leading edges are reinforced and a high-density foam core is used to make a lightweight and durable propeller. All hubs are jewel drilled with a 6x60mm and 8x75mm, allowing you to share propellers with friends that have different engines. These propellers are manufactured in China.
All right, our neighbors are making a bunch of competition with us, so we're going to try and make some noise as well. Do you want earplugs, Mike?
No,
You don't?
absolutely not.
Absolutely not? Okay. All right, so this is the Vortex Aero 125 Light prop. Go for it, Mike. So up next, we got the 130 Vortex Aero Light. Whenever you're ready. Okay, we're recording. We got the Vortex Aero Classic Profile 130. All right, go ahead and hit it, Mike.
Brad Roper in Southern Utah Paramotor provided us with a selection of 125 and 130 centimeter FTB or Fly the Best props for this video. Visit them at southernutahppg.com to purchase FTB props or visit ftbpropeller.com for more information on the propellers from the manufacturer. Founded in 2023, FTB is a cutting-edge manufacturer of carbon composite propellers, backed by Hawk Aviation's 25-plus years of expertise. Our carbon composite propellers, shaped by extensive flight tests and expertise, deliver high strength, low weight, exceptional durability, and efficiency across a wide speed range while minimizing noise. These propellers are manufactured in China.
All right, we are recording again. So this is the FTB 125, Fly the Best. Let's see what she does. Okay, boys and girls, we have ourselves an FTB Fly the Best 130.
I bet
Yeah,
it's
we
going
were
to
recording,
scream.
Probably gonna be really. I don't know what to expect.
I'm going to say 12,000.
12,000. Oh yeah, we'll
12,000.
keep an eye on the Rip'ems too. Okay, so this is our Helix.
12,000 RPM. Maybe like
100.
11.2.
Okay.
11.2.
Okay, go for it, buddy. All right, so this is the 100 centimeter Helix. Should be interesting. .2. Yeah, it's not bad. It's surprising. A lot quieter than I thought it would be. All right, hit it. .6. All right, last one.